Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this purple and yellow eye makeup look. For this video I have used this palette by Essence. This is the Spiritual Gangster. Purple eye looks is something that you always request me to do, and I also like purple eyeshadow, so I decided to do something more wearable for today's video. And I think that if you skip the lashes and the eyeliner, this is something that you can do for every day. Let me know in the comments below what other eye looks you would like to see. On my face I have already applied my foundation, concealer, powder and primer. Let's start with this cutie pie here, the Spiritual Gangster. I'm going to start with this light creamy pink eyeshadow with the matte finish. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I'm using this to highlight my brow bone. After that I'm picking up the shade Humble, and this one is a dusty pink peachy eyeshadow with a matte finish. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm buffing that in the crease. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I'm going to take this eyeshadow here. It is called Do You Love Me, and it has a matte finish and this beautiful warmer purple color. I'm diffusing this in the outer part of my crease. I'm taking again the same eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, and this lavender eyeshadow with a matte finish, it is called Finesse, and I'm going to push this on the outer part of my eyelid. Let's continue with eyeshadow Rockstar. It is a muted red-brown eyeshadow with a matte finish. With a smudging brush by Urban Decay, I'm smudging that on the outer part of my lower lash line. After that I want to use this eyeshadow here. It is called Lemonade and it is a light yellow shimmery eyeshadow. It has a beautiful sheen. Super pretty. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I am pressing this on my eyelid. Once you apply this eyeshadow with your fingertip, it looks much more shinier and gorgeous. I'm taking again this small brush by Urban Decay and the Lemonade eyeshadow, and I'm pressing that on the inner part of my lower lash line and also in the inner corner. I'm also blending the two eyeshadows together. I want to connect all the colors together, and I'm taking this lavender eyeshadow with the same brush and I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. In my waterline, I'm going to use a purple eye pencil. This one is by Zerva Cosmetics in the shade Natasha. Sharpen it up. I have applied my false lashes and also have used this mascara by Essence, the Super Curl Volume Mascara, to blend my natural lashes with the fake lashes. Let me know if you want to see a specific eye look with this palette. I'm going to post my review in a couple of days, and in my palette reviews I always show you an eye look as well. So let me know if you want to see something from this palette. To contour my face, I'm going to use the contouring palette by Wet n Wild in Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to use the brush 109 by MAC. For blush, I'm going to use this one by NYX Cosmetics. This is a high definition blush in the shade Hamptons. I'm using the brush 2 by Beach Cosmetics. I have used this highlighter by Essence. This is from the collection Sun, Sand and Golden Rainbows, and this is the shade 2, Chasing the Sun. I have also done a review for all of the products of this collection. We have these beautiful highlighters. On my lips I had the Generation Plump and Shine by Catrice Cosmetics in the shade Sparkling Coral. On my lips I'm going to use the This Is Me lipstick by Essence in the shade Freaky. I always like neutral lipsticks when I have a little bit of color on my eyes. Let me know in the comments below what color you would use for this eye look. You can watch here another eye look with yellow and pink eyeshadows. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!